Mighty pump from RectorSeal. It's got a really solid foot pedal system here for you to stand on. They got sturdier hoses, sturdier flow valves, check valves inside of it, and just a great product. And when you have a drain that drains outside, instead of taking out a shop vac and finding a place to plug it in, especially if it's raining out, you don't want to have a plug in and run an extension cord and hook up a shop vac, which doesn't have enough power really to do a proper job. And then you got to clean it out. All the slime that goes in that bucket, you got to first clean it out. It's a big mess. It's time consuming. It's not worthwhile, especially when you have a product like this, the Mighty Pump. It comes just like this. So you would take the hoses down from the holder, and you can see one hose is meant for as a discharge, and that's going to take the water out of the system. And the other hose comes with a little piece of PVC in there in case you have a fitting like this on your drain line, a coupling where you have to go inside the 1 inch and plug in. Or you could take this piece out. If you have just a piece of 3/4 coming out, you could just take this piece and put it right on the 3/4. So it's very easy, comes with everything you need. All you do is you go up to the drain line outside and you put this right inside of the drain line here, like that. And now I'm going to stand on the pump with 2 feet, and I'm just going to lift up. When I lift up, it's starting to put some air into the pump itself, and then when I push down, it's really going to start sucking out any water in the line. So it's taking it right from the pan. The unit in this house is up in the attic, so it's going to take it from the pan in the attic, and it's going to flush any water that's in it. It's going to use to flush it and pull it right through this line. So you can see now what's going to come out. Now I'm sucking it out, and then I'm going to push it through the pump. You can see what comes out now. And that's how I'm clearing the drain line. And again, I'm lifting, and then I'm just pushing down. And you can see all that water coming out. And I'm going to do it again. And you can see everything coming out of that drain line. And now I know I'm done. Now I know I have a clear line. I just simply take this out of the drain like this. I can put it back in the holder here, both sides, and I walk away. There's nothing to clean. Everything went through the pump and out onto the ground, so I'm done. And I take this, I go inside, and I'm done. And if I do that once a month on a job, or anytime I come out on a service call, I really am doing a thorough job, because I'm using the water inside of that line to pull everything out. I'm flushing that line out using this Mighty Pump. Great product, available at distributors now. Mighty Pump from RectorSeal.